Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to set up workspace in ClickUp. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go to spaces over here on the left side of the screen, and after that here on the spaces just simply click on new space over here, and after that just simply provide the icon and name of your workspace. So let's say I'm gonna go for marketing, and after that just simply select an icon by clicking on this, and you can search for avatar. So let's say I'm gonna go for money and just simply click on it, and now you can upload a photo as well, so this will be depending on you. And after that just simply go ahead and provide a description if you prefer, and you can make it as a private, and you can just simply click on continue, and you can define your workflow over here by starter, project management, project and engineering, and marketing teams. So from here this will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for starter and click on create space, and after that you should be able to have your workspace in ClickUp, and you should be able to set it up, and you will have the list over here on the top, which you can have multiple views and the board, and you will have different view of your task. So now if you want to go for a template, you can just simply click on the spaces and click on use templates over here, and you will have here templates of workspace, and you can just simply go ahead and click on quick use once you have selected one, and you should be able to create and set up your workspace in ClickUp. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.